In today's video, we are going to cover how to use data stores in make.com. Start by signing in to your make.com account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Data Stores. This opens the area where your stored data collections are managed, and it is where you can create a new one from scratch. On the Data Stores page, click Add Data Store. This starts the setup for a new data store and brings you to the configuration screen. The first thing to enter is the name. Type the name you want to use for this data store. Use a name that clearly identifies what the store is for, since this is the name you will see later when selecting it inside a scenario. After naming the data store, move to the data structure section. Here, you can either choose an existing data structure or create a new one by clicking Add. If you already have a structure that matches the data you plan to store, select it. If not, create a new structure so the fields match the records you want to save. When creating a new data structure, enter a data structure name first. Then click Add Item to begin defining the fields inside that structure. For each field, set the field type and review any available settings that apply to that field. Continue adding the required fields one by one until the structure matches the data you need to store. This part matters because the structure determines how each record will be organized inside the data store. When the structure is ready, click Save. Back in the data store setup, select the data structure you want this store to use. Then specify the data storage size in megabytes. This sets the storage capacity for the data store, so make sure the size you enter matches the amount of data you expect to keep there. Once the name, structure, and storage size are all set, click Save to create the data store. After the save is complete, the new data store becomes available in your make.com account and can be selected by modules that support data store operations. To use it in a scenario, open the scenario where you want to work with stored data, then add a data store module. In that module, choose the data store you just created. Make sure you select the correct one if you have multiple data stores with similar names. After that, the module is linked to your new data store and is ready to work with the structure you defined earlier. Your make.com data store is now created, configured, and selected for use in a scenario.